guys, it's Kira. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a second ferment on this awesome kombucha and show you how to do the strawberry basil second fermentation. So in today's video, we're gonna need kombucha that's ready for its second fermentation. I brewed this on August the 30th and it is now September the 8th. So a little over a week, and I'm gonna put it into these swing top bottles. I like swing top bottles because they give me an airtight seal, and that is what you need to get that wonderful carbonation that, that a second fermentation will give you. We are going to do strawberry basil flavor this time. So I have fresh strawberries cut up into little spears so that they will fit inside the bottle, and some sweet basil that I picked out of my garden, chopped up pretty coarsely, to be honest with you. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be cut up so that the juices will come out of the sides and it's easy to put in and take back out of the bottle. You're also gonna need a little bowl, a funnel, and a plastic ladle. The reason why you need plastic is because the kombucha will react negatively to metal, and I just don't have any wooden ladles. So what you're gonna do is set this aside, and you're gonna want to take the rubber band and cloth off of your kombucha that is ready for its second fermentation. You're going to take your plastic ladle and grab that new baby SCOBY that has formed on the top. Carefully. You're gonna wanna do this with clean hands and set it into this glass bowl. You're also gonna wanna grab the mama SCOBY and set that in this bowl. And that is why we needed a bowl, to set aside the SCOBYs. Now, we want to shake, we want to stir up this kombucha really well so that, you see all that little, all the stringy bits in here? I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to come a little closer. See all those wonderful stringy bits? Those are little stringy bits of yeast and bacteria, and that is all that goodness that will make for a really rich probiotic drink. And you want to get as many of those into these as you can. So I will be taking my first bottle in the funnel and stirring it up. I'm gonna fill this bottle up. We're gonna stop right about there, right about here, right before the next starts. So now we're going to add a few slices of strawberry. And a little bit of basil. And really, this is just to taste. A few sprinkles of chopped up basil and a few slices of strawberries is sufficient to flavor the kombucha. So now, we want to go ahead and finish filling the rest of the neck up. And then we're going to put the swing top on and seal it. And set it aside for 3 to 5 days to let the carbonation form inside of the bottle. And then after 3 to 5 days, you want to put this in the refrigerator so that it does not explode. I have had that happen multiple times, and it's not fun to clean up kombucha off of the ceiling. So we're gonna set this aside, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my kombucha. And there you have it. Delicious strawberry and basil kombucha ready to sit for 3 to 5 days to carbonate. After that, it's ready to drink. So thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks guys, bye.